Welcome to Learning with Gotti. Today, we will be doing some cleaning. My toys are all covered in gooey blue paint. Let's go get a bucket of water and a brush so we can clean this up. Look at that thick paint flake away. What could be hiding underneath?
It's a big blue semi-truck.
Let's put this away so we can play with it later. It's a yellow school bus, just like the one you rode on to school. A green tractor. The farm is ready for work. Look, it's a sporty orange car. So bright and fast. And a red race car. It's an airplane. A helicopter. Look at it spin. Look at it spin. A motorcycle. Ha ha ha! It's a city bus. Everyone hop on. A jet. It flies so high. A parachute. What a colorful finish. A canoe. Let's paddle down the Yarn River. And a colorful hot air balloon, floating high in the classroom sky. Look, a tugboat, helping all the big ships. It's a beautiful white yacht. Ha! Everyone on board.
It's a red fire truck. Look, it's a train. I love trains.
And that's the end of our show today, friends. Look at how bright and clean all our toys are. Remember to always clean up after yourself and put things away when you're done playing. See you next time.